Hello everyone, myself Pradipon. Today I am going to explain a topic additional relation operation on database management system. Now let us see the aggregate functions. In database management system, aggregate function are special function that performs calculation on set of values within a table column, retaining a single summary value. They are essential for extracting meaningful insights and performing data analysis tasks. Example, there are count, sum, average, max and min. Now first let us see the types of SQL aggregation functions. SQL aggregation function. There are five types: count, sum, average, max and min. Count function. Count function is used to count the number of rows in database. It can work on both numeric and non-numeric data types. Count function uses the count star that returns count of all rows in a specified table. Count star conceals duplicate and null, and the syntax of count function is count star or count all distinct expressions. The second type, sum function. Sum function is used to calculate the sum of all selected columns. It works on numerical fields only, and the syntax is sum of. The third type is average function. The average function is used to calculate the average value of the numeric type. Average function returns the average of all non-null values, and the syntax is average of or average all distinct expressions. The fourth one is max function. Max function is used to find the maximum value of certain column. The function determines the largest value of all selected value of a column, and syntax is max of. And the last one is min function. Min function is used to find the minimum value of certain column. This function determines the smallest value of all selected of a column, and syntax is min of. The next topic is SQL join operation. As the name shows, join means to combine something. In case of SQL, join means to combine two or more tables. In SQL, join clause is used to combine the record from one or two more tables in a database. Types of SQL join: inner join, left join, right join, and full join. Inner join. In SQL, inner join selects records that are matching values in both tables as long as the condition is satisfied. It returns the combination of all rows from both the tables where the condition satisfies. The syntax is select table 1 and column. Any number of tables and any number of columns from the particular table. Inner join table 2 on table matching column is equals to table to matching column. An example is taken: query select employee where employee name, project, department from employee. Inner join operation is used on project employee id is equals to employee dot employee id. And this is the output of the previous query which we seen in the last slide. It is displayed employee name and department who is working on a particular project. Left join. The SQL left join returns all the values from the left table and the matching values from the right table. If there is no matching join value, it will return null. The syntax is select number of tables, number of columns from the table name using left join syntax on table 1 matching column is equals to table 2 matching column. And the query is an example: select employee where employee name, project or department from employee. Left join operation is used on project employee id is equals to employee id. Let us see the output. Here is the output of the previous query. Employee name, it has been displayed, and the number of project the persons working. Right join operation. In SQL, right join returns all the values from the value from the rows of right table and the matched values from the left table. If there is no matching in both tables, it will return null. Here is the syntax of right join operation. Selects number of tables and number of columns as per requirement from the particular table which we need using right join keyword and table 1 matching column, table 2 matching column. Let us see an example based on query. Select an employee name from the employee table and the project people working in a department from the employee table using right join keyword on project employee ID is equals to employee ID. Here is the output. The names has been selected from the employee table. The people who is working on a project related to department table. Full join operation. In SQL, full join is the result of combination of both left and right join. Join table have all the records from both table. It puts null on the place of matches and not found. Here is a syntax as similar as full join. Sorry, I mean off join. The only change in is keyword, that is a full join. And here is a query. Let us see about a query. It selects the employee name from the employee table and the department. The people works on the project in a department from the employee table using a join operation. Full join operation. It is created and on project is linked with the employee ID and employee is linked with employee ID. Here is the output of the previous query. Recursive closure operation. Recursive closure operation are a powerful tool in database management system for handling relationship with hierarchical structure. They allow you to find all members related to a specific entity through a chain of relationship defined by foreign keys. Understanding closure operations in DBMS is a circular for designing and optimizing database schemas through the normalization process, ensuring data integrity and minimizing redundancy in relation database. Thank you for watching my video.